In this video, I will show you how to use Bank of America Travel Rewards. So as you can see, you can earn Travel Center bonus. You can earn 3 points for every dollar spent on net purchases, excluding insurance purchases made through Travel Center. So you can head over and then use this rewards option right here. Now, if you want to see the details available, you can head over to this right bankofamerica.com/preferred rewards in order to see the rewards that you have entailed through your travel rewards program rules. So we have in here the promotions. Just wait for this to actually load, and we have in here this. So just scroll down and click on visit my rewards option, and it will direct you into here into a new web page for this one. So what we can do is we can first try to log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet, but make sure to log in into the application itself. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see there the travel rewards and program benefits for those tiers that you have already done.